Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to this video. Inshallah, in this video I will show you how to make a blog or how to create and publish your first blog. Of course, you have to go to the website blogger.com. If you don't have the link, you may just go to Google, type in the URL google.com, and in those 9 dots you may access Google Apps from here. When I click on the Google Apps, I can see many Google Apps like Gemini, Google Map, Google News. I'm sorry to convert to English, to Arabic always, but this is the Blogger. This is the website. Okay, once you click on it, you go to this screen. Now I need to sign in. Of course, I need a Gmail account to sign in. I will use this email. Okay, now he asked me a question. Sorry about the Arabic language. I should convert it to English. Let me change the language. Okay, I don't want to waste the video time, but I'm sorry about the Arabic. He just gave me notification for something. No, I need to skip it. Choose your name. What is the name of your blog? What do you gonna name it? I can name it ICT Miss Hiba. Always make sure that the name didn't have a space. I cannot make a space between Miss and Hiba. I cannot add a space between ICT and Hiba. This address wouldn't be accepted. Okay, this one, it could be accepted, but I prefer that. Make it short, make it specific. Okay, I can name it like this. I can name it like this. I can add a space. I can add any kind of symbols or signs or numbers because this is the title. Okay, and then I go next. Next one, I have to choose the URL. The URL domain is going to be blogspot.com. So the URL didn't accept a space. I can name it also ICT Miss Hiba, but without a space, and also he didn't accept it. Now this one is available. He writes short message for you. You have to read this short message. This address is available, ICT Miss Hiba. I can get this URL. This URL is going to be shown above in the title, in the URL bar, okay, in the toolbar. So this one is accepted. If it's not accepted, write something else. But if I make like a dash or plus sign, it couldn't be accepted. Okay, do not use any symbols and do not add a space. If I made a space between Miss and Hiba, it wouldn't be accepted. Okay, URL didn't have a space, so remove the space, do not make a space, and then he'll let you know this is available, and then you go next. And this is the name how it's going to be to shown like for the other. Everyone gonna see that. This is ICT Miss Hiba classes. This is the name that is going to be available for everyone. I can add a space, I can add any symbol, okay? I can add anything, it's going to be accepted. Any symbol, any number would be accepted. And then I click finish. Now I got my blog published, it's loading. This is the blog name. The name is going to show for everyone, okay? So, it's loading. Now I'm done. Now I may be able to post my first post. Sorry, it was lagging. To add a new post, I'll close this notification. To add a new post, I click here. I may be able to post a new thing, anything that you want to post about your grade. Yeah, my students, okay? Grade 5. I may make the title how to make your first blog. And I may write direction how to make your first blog. I may write anything over here, okay? Write the steps here. I may write anything here, okay? I may add emojis. I may write the steps. I may add any emojis, okay? I may add a picture. I'm able to upload a picture from my laptop, or upload it from Google, or upload it from Blogger. Okay, I browse Google from here. Now I Google Images, but this is what cause laptop lagging. But I wanted to know it. Also, I may be able to add a video. Upload a YouTube video. I can also search YouTube. Okay, how to make blog. And now I'm searching in Google, by the way. I want this video, I can publish this video. I click on the video that I want to insert and then I insert it. So my student may be able to watch it. As you can see, the video appear here. You can resize the screen also. I can make my text bold, okay, italic, underline. I can format my font color as I like. I can change the font size also. Is it going to be like a title? Yes, I want it like a title. Do I want the text size is big or small or medium? I can change the text size. Okay, so I can adjust everything. When everything is done, everything is completed, I click publish. I can publish it from here. He asked me, you want to publish it? Yes, I want to publish it. Confirm. Now I publish it. How can I share the link with my student? This is the share icon. I got the share icon and I may be able to share it. Just click here and copy. Now I copy it. I can publish it immediately to my WhatsApp or Telegram if I connect them with my laptop. But for now, I just copy the link and I can paste it anywhere. I can paste it in the chat. I can paste it in the WhatsApp. That's all about how to make or how to publish a new post and how to make a blog title. If I want to see it, I can go to this eye. This eye will view how the post is going to be looks like. This is ICT Miss Hiba. That was the blog name. And this is how to make a blog. This is the title. Okay, and this is a video that I already inserted. You may be able to add a comment. You can may be able to add a comment. Always be positive while commenting and letting others comments. If you want to comment to someone or someone comment to you, always be nice. Grade 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment, in the YouTube comment. Thank you so much.